Every time you click, search, or scroll, your data is being collected. But here's the real issue. It's not just collected, it's centralized. Stored in massive servers owned by a handful of companies. That means one breach can expose millions of people. One policy change can control what you see. One bad actor can misuse everything from your location to your identity. And it's already happening. Data leaks, surveillance concerns, targeted manipulation. When power is concentrated, risk is amplified. So the real question isn't if your data is being used. It's who controls it and how much trust you're willing to give.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Before we get into the content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must, as always, do your own market research. However, today we're talking about the Bitcoin price and the current situations, and I've got a very bad update for you. Our Telegram account is being hacked, and I sent more than 20 emails to the support. I reported, I made a professional video, I made a carousel post, and still no one helps me. And before we move to the price action, I just want to raise this flag here over the Telegram app, because the Telegram app, it's supposed to be the safest app in crypto, right? So if someone can just come to my account, hack my identity and try to scam people, what kind of system is this app? Okay, I worked couple of years, I built a nice network group, and I would like to have help on this matter. However, it's very disappointing, and I'm not the only person. I spoke to multiple influencers, multiple people that has gone through the same thing. So if you see me sending you a read message, if you see that I'm asking you to download an app, or if you see that I'm readily asking you to send me a payment, guess what? It's not me, because I do not DM first, unless if you're really my friend and I know you and we've been working before. But I just want to make you guys aware of what's going on in this industry sometimes. Traders are constantly attacked from people because people want to make easy money. And let me tell you a secret, you're not going to be rich overnight. Not even as a trader or not even as a scammer, okay? It takes time. So if you are watching this video and you scammed me, well, I advise you to work your ass off, because things do take time. That is not the channel that I'm going to tell you, oh, come to this link and tomorrow you're going to be a multi-millionaire. It's just not going to happen. It's a process, it's a journey, and you must have passion. So if you see by any chance anything that it's suspicious, is not me, okay? Because I am doing many things apart from trading. I've got company, I've got a life, I've got things to do, I've got a vlogging, blah, 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 blah. So I'm pretty busy though. And even if I wasn't busy, I've got more things to do than being around the internet trying to scam people. I rather put my intention and values into build long-term things. So it's very sad, and I have no reply, no help from the Telegram team. I try warning them as much as I can. I'm still trying to retrieve my personal account and company group. However, I do not see a future yet. I will let you guys know as soon as I have my Telegram back, if possible, okay? And if you are a new user, be careful though. Be careful. There are a lot of bad players, but what to do? Okay, that's the dark side of working online. Sometimes you do get funny people around trying to look for short ways to make money, but unfortunately, as I said, you're not gonna do it during an economy and a global crisis that we're having right now. Good luck. Anyways, moving to the Bitcoin price, let me share my screen with you. Today I am standing, stand for my own. And the Bitcoin price is currently rejected. However, I am still waiting, and it could still go up. This is the middle of the big range, you can name it, or support resistance, and is still going sideways at the moment, even though it looks very catastrophic on the 4 hourly time frame. So I believe that right now there is no action to be taken, because sometimes it's about that. And honestly, it's been all about patience since I started in this industry. Whoever tells you that you're going to earn money quick, I am sorry to tell you, it's not going to happen. You're going to lose a lot of money and you will lose nights of sleep until you really understand the market, okay? And it is a hell of the manipulation when it comes to the war, when it comes to pricing. But let's have a look on S&P also, okay? Because I found it very, very insane how the US market is still holding. This is not sustainable, okay? Now, why I'm talking about that, S&P 500 holds the 500 most strong companies of the United States. And look at that, it's all-time high after all-time high. Do you see what I see? I'm not really recommending too long, but if you want a short, it might be a great opportunity soon. Look at that. S&P 500 represents the 500 most popular companies of the US market, which represents a lot to the world economy. However, this is not sustainable, and I really wonder, when is that going to start falling? Guys, this is fake as hell. You can call me crazy, but I'm telling you, I'm watching the fall of the US markets, and it will happen. It will happen. However, if you are banking off though, enjoy and congratulations. No offense to Forex traders. End of the day, it's all about analysis, entering, buying and selling. I just stick to Bitcoin because I like crypto. And sometimes I'm basing on BTC but trading altcoins. Sometimes I'm basing on BTC and trading meme coins. And sometimes I also do some, shorts and longs when it comes to stocks. And now on Fimex, the link is down below. You can trade oil, you can other assets that you like. You can trade Nvidia, you can trade X, all inside Fimex right now. So if you are interested, you can just go ahead and participate. I think also choosing an exchange that is trustable, it's very, very difficult these days because you know what? It's so much corruption going on. This is 2026, I think one word that will describe this year, it's corruption. This is being very exposed, it's being very sad. But guess what? With every single crisis, let me just stop sharing and go back to the convo. With every single crisis, there is an opportunity. And it's really tough. I know it's a tough year, but if you really know how to do it, you can always make profit from it. And guess what? Many people benefit from crisis, benefit from problems. So be resilient and start learning more today because AI, it's here and it will do crazy things. However, any kind of drastic updates I will bring up on the channel. But right now, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's been very boring. It's very boring. And it's very tiring also because you don't know what's gonna happen. And that's the thing. I believe if you are more like a day trader, it's a better thing to do right now because long-term dollar cost average, it works. But if you're only relying on an upside, I don't know what you're going to do because I see that many influencers will just tell you to buy all the time. And I'm telling you, always you need to learn how to enter and exit. In the economy that we are living at this moment, you need to learn how to enter and exit. Okay. This is it for Bitcoin today. And please be aware of the scammers. I will not ask you for money because honestly, I do this for fun. I don't even have this much of subscribers yet on my YouTube. I just do this because I'm really passionate about this. That's the thing. If you have no passion about something, you're not going to last. And this industry can get you great, darling. So, anyways, King Charles, keep pushing the digital identity. And also, if you haven't seen the video here, you can go and watch my video about the digital ID with the founder of Choice. It's very important and we cannot run from it, guys. Unfortunately, we can't run from it. Digital identity, it's a serious thing. And we need to have a digital identity that is decentralized, and we need to have decentralization right now. We cannot just be promising people like, oh, this is going to be decentralized. And then people sell your data. People scam you. People do this. People do that. What the hell is that? We cannot just extend the Forex market to this market. Just make your money and exit. This is actually a clever thing to do when it comes to stable and valuable assets you can hold. But please learn how to do your own research, because things are very spicy right now in our world, and you must take control of your life. I always tell you that. Okay. So this is pretty much for today, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.